Hi everyone, quick video today. People have been asking me, how do I use the prompt builder and how does it work? So today we're going to just look at that. So navigate to the website, TheProfessor.info, and it brings you to this home page. And if you're interested in getting some merch, you can click through to it. That clicks you through to Amazon. It gives you an idea of some of the latest blogs. There's a bit about me. And you can access the blogs from this place. Okay. If you go to blogs, it will just take you to the site with all the blogs in, and you can just search through them and read whichever ones you want. Give me a like, that'd be really cool. Even a comment, even better. And then on discussion, there is a forum page, and feel free to jump in and have a discussion, ask a question of me or of other people who use the site. Under the tools section, you've got the documents section. This is where I put all the prompts I've created in the various videos that I've done. Then again, under tools, you get to prompt builder. If you click on prompt builder, it will bring you to this site here. Prompt builder is the only thing on the site where you're required to register, and that's just to protect the prompt builder. And you can register here on the right hand side. You see it there, I'm registered. But if you go in and here, if you're not logged in, it'll give you an opportunity to log in. All you need to do is either do it with Google or do it with Facebook or your email address. It's fine. I'm not going to spam you. It will just give you access to the prompt builder. And this is where we are in the prompt builder. Now, I created the prompt builder because I do loads of prompts, and you can spend a long time trying to craft the best prompts. And you'll have seen I created a video called Capture that looked at how I think you create the best prompts. And Capture is the way that I built into the prompt builder. So you go in and you say, what do I want to achieve with AI? And in this box here, you just write what you want to achieve. So I'm saying I want a blog about Google's AI offer. And then you can choose the prompt style. And there's a whole series of styles you can draw down from. So creative, technical, conversational, concise, formal, friendly. So for a blog, I generally use friendly. It changes the way it writes the prompt so that the blog that you end up getting out of DeepSeek or ChatGPT or Claude meets your requirements. And then you just press continue. So here we've got, could you clarify whether you want the blog to focus on all of Google's AI offerings or specific ones like DeepMind, TensorFlow, and Google's AI Cloud? And normally I would just put in all here. Then you go on to the next question. Are you interested in the specific aspects of Google's AI offer, such as applications, technology advantages, or challenges? And I might say, actually, the GPT can answer that question. Would you like a comparison of other tech giants AI is offering in their blog? Yes, compare with OpenAI. Do you have any specific length or structure of the blog post? So 1,500 words. You might use bullet points. You might put, I want it in pirate speak, whatever. And then what is the target audience for the blog? And this, I might put tech curious professionals, which is who I aim this website at. And then you go generate prompt. It takes a couple of seconds. And it will give you a prompt, write a friendly, engaging, detailed blog post about Google's AI's offering. The blog should be approximately 1,500 words long. And it goes through with a detailed prompt that you can then just cut and paste into ChatGPT and press go. It's as simple as that. There we go. It provides me with the blog. And it's as simple as that. It's absolutely free to use. Never going to charge you for it. I built it myself. It was a nice little project that I did. It works. I've tested it. I'm going to be updating it. Use the prompt builder and fill your boots. Create better prompts. Get more out of AI. That's what it's all about. I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye for now.